Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best computer desks for home offices that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something compact, stylish, or packed with features, there's something here for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the T-Clab small computer desk with power outlets. This compact yet feature-packed desk is perfect for those with limited space but big organizational needs. The reversible L-shaped design lets you customize the setup to fit your room layout, and its built-in power outlets, including USB and Type-C ports, make it incredibly convenient for charging your devices without additional cords cluttering your workspace. The desk is constructed from a combination of sturdy MDF board and a stable metal frame, ensuring durability and solid support for your office equipment. The X-frame structure adds extra stability, so you won't have to worry about wobbling while you work or game. Its 2-tier shelves offer ample storage for books and files, making it an excellent choice for students or professionals who need quick access to essential items. However, some users might find the 40-inch size a bit restrictive if they require a larger workspace. Overall, the T-Clab desk is a great value for small spaces, combining functionality, modern aesthetics, and convenience. While it lacks some premium features like integrated LED lighting or fabric drawers, its focus on practicality and efficient design makes it a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable and compact workstation. Pros include its reversible layout and built-in power outlets, while cons include the smaller size and lower weight capacity compared to larger desks. At number 4, we have the Lufea white desk with fabric file drawers cabinet. This desk offers a sleek and modern design, combining a white steel frame with a durable P2 particle wood surface that's scratch-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean. With its reversible design, you can install the 3 fabric drawers on either side, making it adaptable to your workspace needs. These drawers include a larger file drawer for hanging letter-sized or legal-sized files, as well as 2 smaller drawers for office supplies, giving you plenty of storage options without sacrificing style. The Lufea desk is 47 inches wide and provides a spacious working surface that's perfect for drafting, studying, or even light gaming. Adjustable leg pads and fixed steel brackets ensure stability on uneven floors, while the powder-coated finish enhances its durability. Assembly is straightforward, taking about 20 minutes with the included tools and instructions, making it ideal for those who want a hassle-free setup experience. While this desk is perfect for small spaces, it has a slightly lower weight capacity of 50 pounds, which might not support heavier setups like dual monitors and large printers. However, the combination of its modern aesthetics, functional storage, and affordability makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a clean, minimalist look. Pros include its reversible design and ample storage, while cons include its limited weight capacity and lack of built-in power outlets. Coming in at number 3 is the Furology 47-inch computer desk with file cabinet and power outlets. This desk is a fantastic all-rounder, offering a combination of practicality, durability, and thoughtful features. With its built-in charging station equipped with 3 power outlets and 2 USB ports, it delivers ultimate convenience for powering up your devices, whether you're working or gaming. 2 movable monitor stands allow you to adjust your screen height, reducing neck and back strain during long hours of use. The desk's design includes a fabric file cabinet and 2-tier storage shelves, making it easy to keep your workspace tidy and organized. The detachable CPU stand adds versatility, letting you store your computer tower or other items either inside or outside the desk. Crafted with a strong metal frame and durable engineered wood, the Furology desk can handle up to 150 pounds of weight, making it suitable for heavier equipment setups. The rustic brown finish adds a touch of warmth and style, blending well with both modern and traditional home decor. While the desk excels in functionality, it does require assembly by 2 people for the best results, and some may find the 47-inch width slightly limiting for multi-monitor setups. However, its thoughtful features, sturdy build, and excellent storage solutions make it a fantastic option for those who need both style and substance. Pros include its built-in power station and flexible storage, while cons include its assembly time and slightly limited workspace for heavy multitasking. Our runner-up at number 2 is the huger 47-inch computer desk with power outlets and LED lights. If you're looking for a desk that combines functionality with flair, this is a top contender. Featuring RGB LED lighting, the huger desk creates a dynamic and immersive environment perfect for gaming or working. You can control the lighting via a smart controller or app, choosing from over 60,000 colors, multiple scene modes, and even syncing it to music for a truly personalized experience. The desk also includes a monitor stand with built-in power outlets, offering 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and a Type-C port, which is perfect for powering your devices while keeping your workspace clutter-free. Its 4 fabric drawers provide ample storage for books, devices, and office supplies, while the reversible design ensures flexibility in your setup. Built with a powder-coated metal frame and engineered wood, this desk offers solid construction and durability. Assembly is a breeze, with all components clearly labeled and tools included. The huger desk is ideal for gamers, students, or professionals who value both style and practicality. That said, the LED lighting requires a USB connection to function, which could be a minor inconvenience for some. Pros include its vibrant LED lighting, excellent storage, and built-in power outlets, while cons include its reliance on USB for lighting and slightly higher weight due to added features. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1, we have the Casatima L-shaped gaming desk. This desk strikes the perfect balance between practicality, durability, and affordability, making it an unbeatable choice for anyone seeking a reliable home office or gaming setup. Its L-shaped design is perfect for utilizing corner spaces effectively, while the spacious 51-inch surface provides plenty of room for monitors, keyboards, and other essentials. Plus, the under-desk storage area keeps clutter out of sight, ensuring a clean and organized workspace. With 8 sturdy steel legs and adjustable leg pads, the Casatima desk offers exceptional stability even during intense gaming sessions or busy workdays. The carbon fiber surface adds a sleek, modern touch while being durable and easy to maintain. What sets this desk apart is its effortless assembly. Just 11 steps and under 30 minutes, and you're ready to go. The detailed instructions make the process smooth and stress-free. For a price of just $49.99, the Casatima L-shaped desk delivers incredible value. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or a remote worker, this desk excels in both functionality and design. Pros include its excellent stability, large workspace, and easy assembly, while cons are minimal, with some users wishing for additional built-in features like power outlets. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maximize their productivity and style without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.